Good morning.
Good morning.
Where are you going?
To school.
Do you like going to school?
Because I love the playground.
What? You go to school because you love the playground?
Yes.
How about to learn?
Yeah. I think yes or no. Yes or no. Yes.
You like to learn? Okay. Well, have fun in school. You give mommy hugs. What? Not the camera, please. Mwah. I love you.
Love you.
Good morning! Today is Thursday and wala naman kami masyadong kaganapan today kasi may pasok mamaya si Tyler. I think sa bahay lang kami. We'll probably just do some houseworks and hinihintay ko lang siya na bumalik kasi papaihaw ko sa kanya yung pork steak na binili ko nung isang araw. And magagawa lang ako ng rice. Okay, so karating lang ni Tyler. Nagpunta siya ng Aldi's to get some food for work. What is that? And, of course, he got me some frozen hot chocolate. What a sweetie pie. Daddy, you're a sweetie pie. But, yeah. This is not an everyday thing. Soon. Soon, I'll get tired of it. Hopefully sooner than later. And then we got Logan these unhealthy snacks. What you got, Daddy?
Cereal.
Alright. Okay, so nagba-barbecue na si Tyler. And, nalimutan kong ibigay to. I gotta hurry up. Liempo. Also, look at this mess.
Fell apart.
Like a couple months ago?
Like a month ago, yeah.
It started a month ago and when it was frozen and then Tyler tried to open the garage door, it stuck on the floor.
Ripped it apart.
And now, look at that mess. Now we're trying to buy a garage door. Oh my gosh, I swear we need something every day. And they're not cheap, oh gosh. Thanks to emergency funds. Yep, that's the joys of being a homeowner. So, here's my lunch. Piece of pork, tomatoes.
Which has been grilled so nicely.
Yep, and rice with sausawan. And look at this boy's food. Oh, it's only a pancake. No, lift that thing up. There's 2 more stacks in there. See?
It doesn't mean I have to eat it all.
But you're going to.
Maybe I will.
Alrighty then.
She's just Jay.
I ain't Jay.
Yeah, gross.
What? That is not gross.
Healthy
That is
food.
yummy.
And I have delicious. This is not necessarily bad.
Uh-huh. I mean the syrup alone. And that's not it. That's not all you're gonna put in
It's
there.
fake syrup, so it's not that bad.
Alrighty then.
Okay, whatever.
Alright. Let's eat, guys. Say let's eat, guys.
Let's see, guys.
Drop the attitude.
Let's see, guys.
Okay. So, yep, here's the garage door parts and he's working on it right now. What an awesome husband. So, yeah, most likely ito lang kami sa bahay. And I'm waiting for my friend to stop by kasi ida-drop off niya yung wine glasses na ipipaint ko para sa basket na gagawin niya pang giveaway. Yeah, so yun lang. I don't know what else we're gonna do today. We got so much stuff to do in the house.
Hi guys, today we're gonna show I'm gonna see Daddy's surprise.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
There it is, a kitty!
Gummy bears! This is what I got. It's called gummy bears, so I gonna eat it. Oh. Taste this.
And
Good.
can I have some? Thank you. Kisses. I love you.
I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. I'm a gummy bear. Gummy bear. Oh yeah, gummy bear. Oh yeah,
Gummy bear.
Guess what the flavor is? Apple.
I have a pan. I'm about to make some garlic cilantro fried rice. Madali lang siyang gawin. Okay, una, mag-init lang ng oil. And then, lagyan ng garlic. And then, i-add nyo lang yung kanin. And then, salt. And then, yung cilantro. See? Yan na yun. Nagturo sa akin ito si Mama. Ano lang siya, parang dagdag flavor lang siya sa fried rice. Yeah, so kung gusto niyo yung lasa ng cilantro, try niyo to, masarap.
The favorite part in the day is playing in Get Overdrive.
Oh.
And outside. And going to school.
Okay, end the vlog now.
But I also having dinner and lunch and breakfast.
Oh, very good. Are you thankful for that? Okay, well, I love you.
Love you.
Okay, end the vlog now, baby.
You're gonna end the vlog here now. So bye guys. And good night and